Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the GX470 again. I've been doing a bunch of maintenance and refurbing and replacing everything for my father-in-law. And on a previous video, I replaced the headlights with some new aftermarket ones. In addition, I replaced it with some LED light bulbs that I got on Amazon. After the initial install, I measured the output and everything. Even though it was a better output than the original halogen ones, I wasn't happy with it. So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and install a higher lumen light bulb on both of these and see if it makes a huge difference. So stay tuned. So for the headlight swap out, I wasn't happy with the last set that I used just because the output wasn't what I expected. It was a little bit higher, maybe 20% more output than the OEM halogens in those aftermarket headlights. So I hit up my friends over at Auxito here. I've been working with them for the last 2 years or so, and they've been sending me light bulbs to try out on my projects. So they sent me one of their best H11 bulbs right now. This thing's so cool. It comes with a set of white gloves for you to actually install them so you don't touch anything, but these things are really good quality. The heat sink, the fan is huge on here, and the rated output is pretty dang high. It's so high that the actual driver that they use is external instead of on the actual bulb itself. Generally, when you have to put out a lot of power and current to drive high-powered light bulbs, you need the external mounted driver just to keep the heat away from the bulb. So we'll go ahead and install these. If you need these same products, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description as well as a link to Amazon where you could buy these. I think these are around $70 or $80 on Amazon. So these things are rated for 12,000 lumens each, so that's 24,000 lumens between the two at 120 watts total, so basically 60 watts each. So this is basically equivalent to the H11 bulbs that are in there now as far as power consumption and everything. The build quality on it is freaking crazy. I mean, the thing is straight solid extruded aluminum. You can see the copper core in there for the heat dissipation, plus the copper chip that the LEDs are mounted onto it. And there's basically 12 LEDs per bulb. There's 6 discrete LEDs on each side, and along with this fan. This fan's a 12,000 RPM fan to keep it cool. So this thing is pretty well built. So I'm hoping these babies last for the 50,000 rated hours that they say it was gonna last. Aside from the white gloves for install, it also comes with some tie wraps to wrap the external driver to your car, and a little Allen key. Looks like the Allen key is designed to take the lock nut out of here, and where you can adjust the direction of the beam and everything. You always want that thing vertical inside the light, so that way the light output matches the halogens that you're trying to replicate. So to access the light bulbs on this car, you actually have to take off this thinking panel right here up front so you can actually get your hands down here. You should be able to change the light bulb right back here without taking anything apart. So we're gonna have to go ahead and take all this apart so we can reach back there and install the new lights. So these new bulbs, they're noticeably brighter, as you can see on the wall right there. It's hard to catch on camera, but from the numbers on the previous Auto 1 bulbs, I was getting 265 on the single side, and on the merge side, I was getting 290. So let's see what we get this time. All right, so we'll start with the single step side. So on the single step side, we'll start right there. Go down. Dang, we're hitting 350, 360, 380. And then we start losing it as we get closer to the ground. Over here with the 2 steps line up, and we'll see where they go. So we're hitting, yeah, this is over 400 now. So this is way more than we were hitting on the other one. We were hitting what, 290, almost 300. We're hitting 430 consistently down the here. So Hey guys, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video on changing the light bulbs on here. Thanks for Auxito for hooking me up with these new lights. As you can see, the output is freaking double those last set I have. Those last set I have claim to be like 12,000 lumens or something between the two of them. So this is basically double the lumen output that we're getting from that other one. As you can see, that 24,000 lumens translated to much brighter output on the wall as well as on the road as we were driving. If you guys need these same light bulbs, I'll have a link down in the description like I said earlier. Check out the Auxito website as well as on Amazon if you're looking to get these same lights for your car. If you guys found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on bell notifications to get notified every time I upload a video. Remember guys, for all these different projects, if I can do it, you guys can do it. I want to thank you for watching and I'll talk to you guys next time.